The factory process begins with sorting the finest fibers, ensuring the highest quality merino wool.
The mean fibre diameter measurement, expressed in microns for a premium ultra-fine merino wool clip. The official AWT.
How does this one look, John?
How does this one look, John? Yeah, good staple. Send it to the press. Assessing the fibre diameter now. We've got excellent staple length and strength here. Very clean fleece.
The tight, compressed fleece is transformed into a beautifully open, light cloud of creamy white wool fiber.
the indigo saturation looks perfect on this merino.
Absolutely. The Madder run is next, preparing for the 2025 collection.
This Super 150s collection is remarkable. The hand feel is incredibly soft.
And the colour retention on the navy is perfect for the new season.
Yeah.
The journey of this fibre begins in the rugged outback, culminating here on Savile Row.
The secret to ultrafine merino lies not just in the fiber, but in the precision of the link and loop.
The data confirms the ultrafine fiber structure is enhancing the thermal regulation.
Yes, the moisture management metrics are clearly superior here.
The tensile strength on the latest batch is exceptional. We are maintaining the highest quality standard. From the finest natural fibers to precision worsted processing, this is the pinnacle of luxury craft quality.
On today's factory process, we examine how brands like LVMH and Hermes source the finest Australian.
The Super 180s drape perfectly, sir. A true testament to the Australian merino.
Absolutely exquisite. Congratulations on such a fine piece of work.
From the meticulous hand linking to the final Savile Row presentation, we ensure the world's finest natural fibre.
The data from the carbon farming integration is exceeding projections.
Yes, the regenerative grazing techniques are clearly paying off.
Premium merino wool fully biodegrades in soil within 6 months, releasing valuable nitrogen and sulfur soil nutrients, while synthetic polyester persists for over 200 years.
The data clearly shows a significant increase in soil organic carbon here.
Yes, the rotational grazing is really paying off.
From the rolling hills of Australia to our expert ateliers, every step ensures the highest quality Brunello Cucinelli wool.
Three generations, united by the land and a commitment to excellence. Since the 60s, we've pushed the boundaries of quality.